I'm just waiting for 1 or 2 persons to join. But I mean, I could go ahead since it is recorded. We can share it later. Um, how are you? How are you enjoying your weekend? Hello, can you hear me? Your network is breaking. Can you move away a little bit from where you are?
I can hear you.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
All right. I think you have to say something so I know if I can hear you better.
Can you hear me?
Yes, but it's
Can you hear
definitely,
me now?
well, it's just shaky.
Okay.
It's just shaky, but I can try. So anyway,
I think it will stabilize.
yeah, I think what you said, you think it will stabilize. Okay. We're going to just go straight into it. If when last did you visit?
Yes.
Yeah, when last did you visit the Bixex? They say your bandwidth is low, like your network where your network is, the bandwidth is low.
I
So
can hear you well. I
well,
can hear you.
okay, no problem then. Let me start. I mean, anybody that wants to join would join. Right. I was
Okay.
asking you when last did you check up Bixex? When last did you log in to your account?
I think last week.
Last week.
Yes, it
Did
was
you?
last week.
Okay. Maybe I
Yes.
should move my stuff so I
Yes.
can hear you. All right. So if you checked the the platform, you will see that there's been a little we are trying to do so many new things on the platform. So this was supposed to show people what the fixes that has been done. And I mean, I'll start sharing my screen so that I can record this immediately.
Okay.
And we
Okay.
can get on with it. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, I can see.
Okay, all right. Now this is Bixex, right? This is Bixex. The thing is, before now we had, okay, wait, give me a second, let me, yeah. So before now you have to, like, when you write anything here, you have to click on the public before anything can be published, yeah. But now automatically you don't need to click on that anymore because it's already going to publicize publicly, if that makes sense. And then so many things that I have to show. Anyway, this stuff was supposed to ask people what exactly they want to know about the marketplace, so that I can use that and answer some questions, so that if you have any questions. Now I understand also that you have not put up your gig or anything in the marketplace. We'll just click on it and go. You haven't created any project yet. What seems to be the problem?
Yeah. The thing is that I don't know how to do that. I don't
Okay.
know. I don't have the idea of how to
Okay,
put
okay,
whatever my gig in the
okay,
marketplace. So
okay. Because I feel you actually, the thing is for people to understand how to do this. That is why we are trying to bring up these webinars. But if people are not joining us to see how, they're not going to know this. So anyway, this is the marketplace. Now, when you sign in, obviously when you sign in, yeah, you just move to the marketplace, yeah. Now,
okay.
give me a second. Let me move this out of screen. Now, when you come here, there are a lot of people that have put up their services, their offer. Yeah. This is a flyer design I will create. So this is a place where you see what people, the services people can render and how
Mm,
much they are offering for those
yeah,
services.
the marketplace.
Yes, yes, in the marketplace. And you can see featured project here. I mean, my project, this my project would show if you actually, created anything here. If you created a project is your, like your gig, yeah, or your services that you're trying to put out, yeah, for people to, um,
Sorry, I want to ask you something.
yeah, yeah, I'm listening.
Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I'm
I said
trying.
I want to ask you something. You know that this what you're using right now is laptop, right? And
Yes,
what I have is mobile phone, and what I have is
yes,
mobile phone. So
yeah.
how do I relate the both? Because how do I relate the both? Does it
But
show everything
yeah,
the way
it
it is
does. If
showing
you click on the
here?
marketplace, it will show. Yeah, it will. It will. It's the same thing. It's just that it is always better to
In my
use.
mobile? Okay.
Yes, in your mobile. Yeah, it can show. It can
Mm,
show. But it's always better. The thing is, when you start creating gigs online, in any marketplace, you have to know that you would need a laptop, a functionable laptop. Yeah, a gadget. When you want to start selling your services online, you have to have the
mm,
necessary tools, yeah, that can help
yeah.
you in your job. So the thing, people don't actually understand that you cannot be using your mobile phone for your mobile phone to put up gigs. I mean, it is good you have a phone, you can do that, but with a laptop it's easier. Yeah, the work from home tools, number one, is like, no, you have to have a dedicated workspace, a place that you sit down with your computer, and then you work. You have to have a laptop, obviously a computer. You have to have good internet connection, right? So in the marketplace,
Yes.
yeah, when you put up gigs, and then someone maybe clicked, or when you created a project, and I mean, we can go ahead to show you how, but or maybe we can actually create another webinar for that. But I need for us to have the first hand information first about it before we now show, oh, this is how we can even do a video on this is how you can create your gig on a marketplace, on Bixex marketplace, so that the video is apt, it's practical, it's something that you can see. So the thing is, you have to be able to have a good internet connection, because you could be posting your gig here in Nigeria, yeah. We can, our time is different from someone that is putting up in the US, right? So how about someone in the so
Yes.
if someone in the US sees your gig up here and clicks, yeah, look at here.
Mm,
Yeah, if I click, let me go up. If I click on this, it brings out the person's detail. Now this was posted 2 months ago. Yeah, entry level. The budget here that she put up here, or he put up here, is $10 to $30. Now the budget is in dollars, right? And then you give the expected delivery date. When do you feel that you can finish? Yeah, you can have the timeline to finish up that project for the person, for the services you are rendering. Yeah, and
mm,
yeah, and then this is called bid deadline. Bid deadline. This is the time. You remember
mm.
that up here? Sorry, if I'm too fast, just let me know. Up here, the expected delivery date is 1st September 2021. Yeah. So we are not in September.
Sorry, you're too fast. I'm
Wait,
sorry, you're too fast.
wait.
Please, can you just
I should go up.
take it a
Yeah.
little bit slower?
Okay. No problem.
Yes, yes. Go up a little. Start
Okay. All right.
so I can follow up.
All right. Wait. Give me a second. Let me check. I think I wanted to check if someone is here. Um.
All right.
Okay. Anywho, so sorry about that. Sorry about the pause. So anyway, I can't see anything from here, and I hope. Okay, yeah. I'm trying to go back to where we are, to where we were,
Okay.
so that I know if anybody was waiting. Okay. All right. So as I
Right.
was saying, let me go back to it so that you can get me well. Now, this is it, right? This, first of all, in the marketplace, you need to create a picture, a design, yeah, showing what you're offering. Do you understand? Now, if it's writing services, obviously you're going to put up a picture showing you write, and then you can put up the features of what you do, like copywriting, caption writing, proposals. Do you understand? You put it up in that picture that you are posting. Not
Yeah.
your face does not have to be with it on it. Your face does not have to be on it. It's just the services, yeah. And then obviously you now say you write a little bit about what you do. Remember that little bio thing I said we should send to me so that we could post it on our social media. This was what I was talking about. You sell yourself. This person wrote, I will create a stunning
Yeah.
flyer design for your brand visibility. He or she is saying that this is what they can do, a flyer design. So you have to be specific
Yeah.
on your services. Now,
Okay.
yes,
Okay.
now we go down, right? Now you'll be asked this in detail. I'll do that in the next class. In the next few minutes, will you be asked? I'll show you how to one by one how to put on like the processes on the marketplace, how you can detail everything out. Now on the experience level, entry level, this is what the person put in here. So you choose to put your experience level on your own. Do you understand? You choose your budget.
Yes.
You have to give a range in your budget. $10 to $30, that's a range. You cannot just say $10, right? So 10 to 30, 50 to
Okay.
100, 100 to 150. Give it a range
Okay.
so people can know how much they can offer you, right? And then the industry,
Yeah.
the industry that your gig is, like is the content writing, or what kind of industry is it? Yeah, creative writing, you can put that within the industry. And then the expected delivery date. How long will it take for you to deliver a flyer design? How long will it take for you to write captions for someone? How long? It's not like the whole, we're not talking about your like the whole journey in this particular project that you're putting up. How long is it going to take you? That's just it in this particular one, not the normal way you do things, yeah. But any gig that you're putting
Yeah.
on, how long will it how long am I supposed to wait to get my services rendered? That's what they're asking you. And the person put 1st September 2021. Remember, we are not in September yet, we're in July. Yeah. So
Yes.
the person gave I think she started this on 2 months ago, right? So imagine it is still running.
Yeah.
Cool. So when you come down here, you come down. I don't know if you can see this side. I'm trying to pull up my screen out so that I can help you. Cool. So when you come to this bid deadline, bidding is the days, is this expected delivery date. How long they have, yeah, how long anyone on the platform has to click on your project and bid on it. Like, when you say 10 to 30, you're actually giving them a range, right? You're telling them that anyone that is offering me the highest, I'm going to work for
Yeah.
you. So obviously, if you put on a bid, it's called a bidding. If you put on a bid, that means you're saying that it can go for 10, it can go for 20, it can go for 30, depending on who is bidding me higher. So obviously, the people that are bidding would, if anyone is bidding, someone else is bidding you $10, sorry, and someone else is bidding 30, who would you go for?
30.
30.
I'll go for that.
Yes, but check out this.
Yeah.
They're not gonna see like you are gonna see people bidding. You're the one going to see how much people are, trying to get your services. Do you understand now? You're the one going to see how much they want to offer for your
Yes.
services. So you get the upper hand to choose what to do with that information. Do you understand now? Yes. So
Yes.
now this is 58 days, 16 hours, 27 minutes. The total number of days remaining for 1st September 2021 to elapse. So
Mm,
whoever is going to bid on this would have to, look out. Oh, I have like 58 more days. Okay, let me chill. Or I have 10 more days. Let me do this now. Maybe for someone, let me see if this person has, gotten someone to work on for their services yet. So we're just going to go back. The thing,
okay.
yeah. So now, if you look at it, some UI UX developer designer needed
So,
urgently.
sorry,
Yeah,
sorry.
yeah.
How about that you explained right now? It's called, you call it meeting of deed, right?
BID, bid. Yeah, BID, bid.
BID, bid.
Yes, yes,
Okay, okay.
yes, yes. That's
All
called
right,
bidding.
all right,
Yes, yes. So
all right.
yeah. So up. This is what everyone here get to do. The thing is, this is how. Do you see this button here? If you click on create project,
Yes,
if you click on create project, this is where you have to put in those details, right? This is something else that we have to work on, but I don't want us to rush it because it has to be step by step. I mean, the first thing is
yes,
for us to know what a marketplace is, what we can do in the marketplace, how the things can be done, and then we can now
yes,
say step by step process on how to create your own project in a marketplace. You understand?
yes,
So we'll just do it one by one. And then
yes,
I was saying that this project place, this button is if you had, created any project on the marketplace, you see it here, active, pending, depending, people that are yet to, pay you. And the funniest thing, people don't know that with now you have to get a computer, you have to get a laptop to be able to be very functional. Do you understand? Because some of the things that are here,
yes.
they are very more in order. Yeah, the mobile helps if you want to,
Mm, mm,
quickly quickly bid on something. And but if you are a working creative, it is expected for one of your working tools to be a computer, so that you can actually be able to be more
yes,
productive. It helps for you to be more productive. Why I said that was because
yes,
if you come here, you see where my cursor is. Before you even want to
yes,
create a gig in the marketplace, you have to set your wallet. You have that, the wallet is where you put in your information, your account details. Do you understand? You know that you're going to get paid on the
yes,
platform. So before you even create a
yes,
gig, you have to be able to put in your account details. This side is just for your email address, yeah, and your password and stuff like that, and your
mm,
phone number. Yeah, if you go down, that's I want you to take a look at the platform well. But it's because you're using a mobile your mobile, so some of the things
yes.
you might not see it that broad the way you see it on, yeah, a computer. Now you
They're
it ca-
not broad, but I can still see it.
yeah, yeah, yeah. So
I
you
can
will
manage
have,
to see it.
yeah,
Right.
when you go to your settings on your mobile, you're gonna see this
Mm,
account settings. You're gonna see my wallet. When you click here, I can't click it because this shows my account, right? And this information is being
mm,
recorded, right? So when you click here, you go to
yes,
see, they'll give you a code, and then you get to put your identification means. Are you using international passport? Are you using your what's it called, your
voters
NIN,
card.
voters? Yeah, you see the means of identification you need to put. They actually verified. It's called Verif. Verif if the
Yes,
is the means that we are using to verify people on the platform. So you choose what identification you are using. You put the account details. You put whatever you want to, the account you want to be paid in from. Do you understand? But you cannot. You don't. If people don't have this information, they don't know. They just go and place, jobs or gigs or services on the marketplace, expecting to be paid. Yeah, expecting to be paid. Give me a second. I think my internet is running around. So I wanted to show people this so that they can understand that they have to come into their settings and put in their details. So I mean, before you even do that, you have to check this out first, right? And know that you're doing.
Yeah.
And then if you have any questions, obviously you can always reach me, send a message, and I'll guide you through. So now that I've showed you that, um, this is privacy. This is who you think should see your contact details. Do you know that when you put a gig up on the marketplace, your number is there, right?
Mm-hmm.
Your contact information is there, so that someone can click on it and message you or send you an email. So you can put your primary email, you can put
Yeah.
your phone number. So there are so many steps to take. I do not There are steps to take for this thing to actually work. It's not like you just go and put on something, you create a design, and someone will come and say, hey, let me send money to your account. It doesn't work that way. So let's go back to the marketplace here. So why I went there was because I wanted to show you the pending. It's going to show you the projects that are pending, who have selected your stuff, or who is yet to pay you or something. It's going to show you completed and expired. Yeah. So here I don't have anything here. So these are quotes submitted are obviously like people that have bid. Hi Sonny, welcome. So people that have bid in the marketplace, right? And this
Mm-hmm.
is, you know what quotes are like. Quotes obviously maybe quotation, when people want to send you a quotation of what they want. You know, now in like when you're working in e-commerce, you're working outside in businesses, you say, oh, send me that quote. That means like, send me how much you want me to pay you for your service. That is what they mean here. So when you say quote submitted, that's it. When you start creating project,
Okay.
this will actually make sense when you start creating projects. Do you understand? So yes,
Hello.
and I can hear you.
Okay. Okay.
I can hear you. If I can hear you. So Sunny, hi. Can you hear us? Um okay, right. Okay. Let's go on. I think you can hear, or maybe you cannot. Right. So B2B, let's go back. Let's go back. Right. So from here, remember I told you that you're going to come to create projects. It's one of this, you can see 1/3, step 1/3. That means after I write here now, for example, I say project, enter project title, I can check. The project is mm, social media analyst. Yeah. And then the keyword. So I can use social media manager. You can see it will automatically improve your search. And then the project industry. Um, you will see a lot of, when you see a drop down menu and you get to write, maybe I want to write marketing advertising here and sales.
Mm-hmm.
And then the hashtag, you obviously it's quite easy, because instead of you to think about it too much, uh okay, can use sales, no, sorry, social media, right, or social media marketing. To add another one, when you just click add, you use another one. And I can say social media, as I wanted to use before, right? And
Mm-hmm.
the project industry, remember, so the project industry, I can write media. I can't find that. Media. Online media, that's better. Then experience level, um I'm an expert, so I can put expert, right? So you remember that thing I showed you in the flyer design? So this was the tools that we used to create that, it automatically for you. So required skills, what skills do you have? So I have um social media marketing skills, email marketing. You can have email. No. Before you type another, obviously you click add, right?
Yeah.
All right, email marketing. Okay, I can find that, and then I click add, and then I can say ads, social media ads, right? Can click that.
Mm-hmm.
The more you, whatever you want to add, you continue, and then you click next step, right? So you see here,
Yeah.
it's quite easy for you to put in. Now see here, see how it is it an open bid or no? Now when you make it an open bid, you remember that thing that we saw there, that there was like the bid, there was the countdown, yeah, and also it was showing you the range too. If it is open, you choose if it's open or not. Do you want people to bid on it? Do you want the highest person, yeah, to get the highest the highest amount to get to your services, or do you just want to make it just one particular? Like for example, I can say excuse me, I can say 50 to 100 dollars. Then I can press open bidding. So that means anybody that sends their clicks on it and wants to pay me, I'll see how much they're offering. It will be open
Mm-hmm.
for me. But if I don't want it, I'll just click no. But I'll click on yes. Who doesn't like better thing, as we say? So the lowest budget. So how low are you going to go? Are you going to sell yourself short? Now, I want us to also understand that you don't ever feel that you're too pricey. Always check your the market. Always make your findings. Don't go too high and don't go too low. Always stay within the budget of your services, right? So that you
Mm-hmm.
don't
Yes.
overcharge and you don't undercharge yourself. And that
Okay.
is so now in here it's already written in dollars, as you can see. So it's this dollars equivalent that we are using for the transaction, hence why you have to go put in your account. So I will have to do a video of how we can do the settings and verification of stuff like that, but I think it doesn't have to be on video, because it's your details, right? It doesn't have to show what you are doing, like your account details and stuff. So basically it'll be like when you click on your settings. Hello, can you hear me? I think my network.
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay.
I can hear
Yeah,
you.
yeah. Sonny, are you there? So when you click on your settings, you would, where I showed you, when you click on there, you would see the settings. You would just go and
It's just some.
okay, Sonny, you're breaking, but that's okay. Okay, okay, that's fine. So anyway, so I'm going to put here $150, and highest budget I'm going to put 250. And then the deadline, remember that deadline we saw that was counting down. So this is July. If I want my deadline to be a month, not 2 months, not 3 months, I can come in here and choose my Friday, and then it is automatic. Yeah. So August 6th, right? And this is response deadline, expected delivery date, or expected project, obviously expected delivery date. So the deadline is going to show the delivery date, not the project's duration. I don't know if you get that point. Are you trying to show them that your project is going to be, you know, this is just the duration of the project, or this is the duration of when they can get their services delivered? Two different things. So the expected delivery date, this is where you put it. And since I said 6th, I can actually say expected is 4th. Sorry. Oh, you Nigeria. So I can say this is 6, right? And then expected days is not going to show, because do you see that X here? I chose expected delivery date instead of this, so I cannot fill in this. Now, is there any additional information you want to add? So remember that thing that the flyer design you saw, I create this, so this is where you now sell yourself. So I can say I can create quality content and captions for your social media. Yeah. And this is where I get to upload the project image I want to use, which I am not going to do that now. And this is important because apparently you have to do this to move. So let me see if I have anything that I can use. I hope you're all there. Give me a second. Just gonna check my files. By the way, Former, this is really for you because I know you haven't been joining us for. Okay, so I don't really have. Mm, ah, I don't really have. Don't really have. Please, sorry about the noise. I don't really have a picture to use, but I can use this. Are you there? So I can use this, and I click on next. Hello, Former. I click on next. Yeah. Yeah. Former, can you see what we talked about? Um, everyone. So this is a picture that is used. Social media analysts, social media marketing. I can create quality content and captions for your social media. Do you see the additional information is good for you because this is where it's going to show up. You actually obviously need a picture that depicts your services, and then you see the experience. Everything is written here. Everything that they need to know. Then when you come here, you now click on I have read and understand Bixex Marketplace. Please click on it and read and understand though. And then you click here, you click I have read and understand. You click here, read it. People just click things without reading. Read it. And then either you save as draft so that you can come back, work on it more, ask questions, check the prices. Are you undercharging or overpricing? Yeah. And then you click on submit. I'm not going to click on submit because I don't want my project to look this way. Yes. So this is exactly how you create a project on the marketplace. Please, questions if you have any. So I'm just going to cancel this. Are we good? Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, are we good? Did we get the information? Because I want to cancel it so that we
Yeah,
can.
I came late. I got
Yes. Yeah. Do
I
you
got
have any
very
question?
yesterday.
Okay. Okay. All right.
Not really. I've tried exploring this business marketplace. So to some extent, I understand.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice. So, but if you're only exploring, there is a problem. Yeah, but
Okay.
I was telling Informer that people you know that for a marketplace to work, you have to put in your details, right? There has to be. Do you know that when you go to your account, there's a place called account settings where you are supposed to put your details, your primary email address, your phone number, and you're supposed to put
Okay.
in your means of identification to be verified and the account you want to be used for the purpose of transaction. Do you understand? Because when you put in,
Okay. Yeah.
when you put in your stuff on a marketplace, it cannot just work without you, getting paid, right? The
Yeah.
aim is to get paid. The aim is to put out content that people will be able to look for you and give you more services. So when you come to your settings, you're going to see this information, right?
Okay.
And when you come to your account settings, you need to fill in. You see this wallet? This is the most important place. This is
Yeah.
where I cannot share this information because this is recorded, yeah? And this is my account. But when you do click on my wallet, click here to access my account. When you click here,
Okay.
they're going to show you this. You get verification code by text message. They're going to send a
Okay.
message. They're going to send a code to the phone number you put in to verify your account. Number one. Now, remember that you had to have put an email address and a primary. Come here. When I come here, see, this is my phone number. This is a primary phone number.
Yeah.
Cool. So because when you put in a gig on the marketplace, your phone number has to show if you want to put it there, how they can contact you. Because in your privacy here, now if I in your privacy here, you're allowing people to, you see, everyone on Bixex can see
Yeah.
my contact details, blah 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 blah.
Yeah.
So that if they want to contact you via email, they can do that, or via phone number.
Okay.
So apart from that thingy you saw, when you now click on the code, when you click on the code and click verify, it will open to another, it will open you to another look box where you need to put in your use your means, the means of identification you want to use. Yeah, you have
Okay.
to
Yeah.
take a snapshot of your face. The
Okay.
means, yeah, everything is properly done. So I need for you guys to please go to your account settings and set up your account. It doesn't work with
Yeah.
just posting. And that is why I wanted us to have like daily webinars for us to understand how this platform works. Because if people are just, I'm just coming here and just talking, it doesn't work. I want you people to put in the work. You have to go in and
Yeah.
put your account in. Whatever issue you have, please send me a message and I will be there to help. Just give me a screenshot of what you need help with, and I'll handle it from here. So this is the most important thing now. Before you even create any gig on the marketplace, I wanted this the girl that put in the project. This here is I've
Yeah.
forgotten her name. She's on our group, and I wanted her to be part of this so I can tell her this. Because when she created this was like 2 months ago. I'm sure she has not verified her account. So if you do not verify your account, how do you want to get paid? How do you want to be contacted? How do you even feel people the platform does not recognize your gig? Do you understand? We don't recognize that
I do.
it's legit. So that is very important. That's very important. I think
Hello. Hello.
yes, Foma.
I have a question too.
Yeah.
Okay, I have a question too. Um, I want a general explanation on what really the marketplace is for.
Okay.
Like,
Okay. I get you. I
I
get you.
mean, the general explanation on big sets, not even only marketplace. What
Yeah.
is big sets for?
Okay.
The
So
general notion for it.
yeah, I get you.
What is it for?
So first of all, yeah, Bixex is not a Nigerian platform. I want us, yeah, because if you notice, I was putting the bidding places in dollars, and we have workers, we have creative working in other countries. It's just my face that is really most seen
Mhm.
because I'm the social media strategist here in Nigeria. So that's number one. Number two, it is actually a platform for not only freelancers or people. You know what a freelancer means, right? You know what a remote worker is. It's not only for people that just want to work in their house. It's for people that actually want a side hustle too, right? So you're already doing a nine to
Sorry,
five.
the truth is that please, I don't know what freelancer is. Can you
Yeah,
help
yeah.
me
I'm
explain
going there.
more?
I'm going there. I'm going there. Yeah, I'm going.
Freelancer.
Okay. So
Okay.
if a freelancer is
Okay.
someone, yeah, are you listening? A freelancer is
Mhm.
someone
Yes.
who is paid on a contract basis. So someone has
Mhm.
a job for you wherever you are in the world, yeah? You can do that
Okay.
job wherever you are. You can be in USA and you are freelancing, you're
Mhm.
working for someone in Nigeria.
Okay.
And that job
Okay. Yes. Yeah.
can be contract based, right? Can say, oh, for 2 to 3 months I want you to do this for us. Can you offer your services? You are freelancing
Okay.
because after that job you get another job. That is not your everyday job. Like that is not something that,
Okay.
yeah. So when you are a freelancer, you are able to perform more than one job for different organizations
Yes.
at any particular time in
Okay.
anywhere in the world. Do you understand now? Anywhere in the world. That is what is called freelancing. Do we understand now? Now, being a remote worker
Yeah,
is,
I understand.
yeah, being a remote worker is you working from your house and reporting 9 to 5
Yes.
and reporting 9 to 5 to somebody. That means you are full-time working for a company, but you're not working in their office. You are working in your house. You
Yes.
or not even from your office, you're working anywhere, yeah, remotely. You know the word remote. You're working anywhere, but you are working
Yeah.
nine, but you're
Yes, I
working,
know.
but you're working on a time-based 9 to 5,
Yes. Yes.
depending. That's, you see the differences now. So
Yes.
people really get it confused. Now,
Yes.
the platform is not only for entrepreneurs, it's not only for freelancers. Like that if you can notice, most of the marketplaces, I don't know, that's why I was asking if you know Fiverr or Upwork, right? Most of the marketplaces here available nowadays are for
No.
people, yeah, are for people that are open to getting more than one job. So you want to have a side hustle. You want to be able to freelance. That's the word. Yeah, you want to be able to freelance wherever you are. You want to be able to get as more jobs as,
Okay.
not like you are stagnant or you are, you just want to do your. There are people, obviously 9 to 5 is good for some people. There are people that enjoy their 9 to 5, and there are people that enjoy freelancing. So that you are not
Yeah.
you're not limited, right?
Okay.
You're not limited. So that is the most important thing now. So
Yeah. Yes. So
Bixex is
and okay.
made for entrepreneurs, freelancers, remote workers, anybody that wants a side hustle, basically. And for entrepreneurs, if they want to hire people, for example, now these deals and offer. I don't want to get in there because today wasn't for deals and
Mhm.
offer. If a company needs someone, want to hire talents, I need a creative designer for my company, for my business. I need a content writer
Mhm.
for my business for 2 months. If any
Mhm.
business wants, freelancers for there is also the space for them to come and put in the offer here, what they want,
Mhm.
like Glimpse 33 logo design, what they want from, sorry, this is loading, it's a lot here, business card design, free rule, whatever, copy HR man. The thing is, it is like an app that someone can come in and post something. I need a content writer for to work for me for 3 days. You post it, you put out the deals. How much are you offering for it? Yeah. What am I going? What is the person supposed to? What are the skills the person need? And someone and obviously people that are on the platform, which that their accounts have been verified, will be able to get the job, because if your account is not verified, how are you going to get paid? How? So basically, we are changing a lot of things here on the platform at the moment, and there's something I wanted to show, but I feel the tech team has removed that particular function button. It was right here, buyer or seller, but I think when it gets back here I'll show you. So is there any other question you had?
Okay. I
Hello, we can't hear you.
Hello?
Yes, Sunny, are you
want
saying?
Hello?
also
Yeah.
ask I want to just get details.
Can you type your,
Is it
can you chat?
please
I can't hear you. You are
who's
breaking.
the owner of
Can you click on chat?
Bixex?
Can you click on
Is it
chat and type your
hello?
message?
Right, I'm doing that.
Okay.
I'm doing that now.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so
All right.
much.
Hello.
Yes, Sunny.
Okay. About the verification,
Mm,
is something I, let's say I was not aware of it,
mm-hmm.
and this webinar is indeed helpful. So after now, I think I'll go to my settings
Yes.
and do the updates.
Yes. I mean,
Yeah.
anything that you have issue with, send me a screenshot with the stuff so that I can understand where you are having issues. But just remember that there are specific means of identification, right? It's not
Okay.
all. It's not or voter's card. I don't think it's one of them. Yeah, I think it's going to be your
Okay.
national ID card.
Okay.
If you have a national ID card, that's fine. If you have international passport, that's fine.
Yeah.
I think
I
it's
do
either.
have national ID.
Cool. So you have to have that, and then something else. You need to snap your face directly. There's okay. Sorry, I need to check the message that she has sent. Right. So please, who is the owner of Bixex? Though my question is not out of context, but I want to get a detail. Okay, our own. Ifoma, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay.
I'm listening.
Before I answer your question, Sonny. So let
Yeah.
me finish. Let me finish with you. So I'm saying that you have to snap your picture in a good lighting. You have to step
Okay.
outside and take because it has to take your face, and then some other steps that you need to put, and then I think you have to put your account number, the one that you want to. We are trying to put in. I told you it wasn't really it's not really a Nigerian platform. That's why we had the stuff that we are using to for payment wasn't we are just going to incorporate Payoneer so that
Okay.
Nigerians can be able to get. And I want you to know that it could we hope to try to send it via to directly to your account without because you cannot get dollars in your normal account, right? You guys know that,
Yeah.
right? you, I know. Ifoma, did you know
Yes.
that? Right. So
Oh, yeah.
I didn't know. I didn't know actually, but
no, you have
how
to.
will it be done?
No, you have to have it. That's the point. We are trying to get we are trying to make it swift so that you can get it straight to your Naira account. Do you understand?
Mm,
So, for
yeah.
example, now we wanted to do this is why we haven't done any contests yet. We don't want to, that the way we send money, yeah. We don't want to send it that way. We can actually do the transfer from our platform. So we are trying to create the system so that we can just do our transfers directly to the Naira account or to the Kenyan account or to the US account. Do you understand? To anybody in the so the point of having that the platform right now, we can't pay Nigerians directly. Do you understand? That's the hold up, and we are trying to fix that. So so we are trying to. That's why I brought in pay
Hello?
on. I'm
I
listening.
didn't get the last thing you said. Sorry.
Okay, so right now,
I
yeah,
didn't get the last
I
thing
can hear
you
you. I can hear
said.
you.
Voice was very.
Oh my gosh, your network is bad.
Yes, the voice was
I can hear you.
very.
So
Okay, please repeat what you said last. I
yeah,
just.
I said that right now, yeah, we are trying to fix the paying directly to Nigerian account. Do you understand? And it's not to Nigerian account, to your Naira account, because the one that we have, yeah, could is paying to a dollar account. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So we are
Okay.
trying to do. Sonny, I'm hearing you.
I said okay.
Okay. So we are
Yes.
trying to make it easy for Nigerians because CBN has really regulated a lot of things. Yeah, pay for Naira. So we have to work with that. Do you understand? So it's hard for us to use the dollar form to send it to Nigerians. So we have to work with what we have. So for the meantime, I would think that we have to go to the account and verify ourselves first. To like we are on the platform, we verify ourselves so that if we put in a gig or something, we know we can get paid, right? So That is the most important thing. And informer our the owner of Bixex is Mr. Ethelbert Nwanegbo. That's his name. If you go to
One neighbor.
yes, if you go to LinkedIn,
That means
yeah,
in Nigeria.
yes, he's a Nigerian, but he's not in Nigeria. He's living in Florida, so he's not in Nigeria.
Okay.
Yes. So if you go on LinkedIn, you can find him.
Okay.
You can find him here. This is him. So the details of the Bixex Corporation, and he's the only owns a lot of companies here that is working here in Nigeria, and some companies outside the country, right?
Okay.
So you can find every information you need. So that is settled.
Yes.
Any other question?
No.
Okay, so I think we'll just call it. I mean, it's 9 o'clock already. We'll call it today. So the assignment we have today is to work on our account settings, and
Yeah.
let us know from there the difficulties you have. And I think from here, then I would have to show a video or something on how to do the accounts. I don't want to do a video on the account settings because it's actually, information. Your information is out there and it's going to be recorded and it's not so safe. But anyway, we'll talk again later. And thank you guys for coming in for my talk. Thank you
Okay.
so
Okay.
much.
Thank you very
You're
much.
welcome. Thank you too.
All right.
Thank you. Good night.
Good night. Night.
Good night.
All right. Bye.
Bye.